How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about VVS Finance token, guys. What's going on in the VVS Finance? What surprise changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe channel for more update and news videos. The currently latest price of VVS is about 0.001408 USD dollar. That is the current price of VVS Finance. In other side, if we talk about the changes, so 5.24% positive changes occur in the VVS Finance. Other side, guys, you can see here if we talk about the trading volume, so 2.61% negative changes occur, and free targeted market cap, these all changes is going positive in the market, guys. So the changes is going crazy, guys. Just hold for a long time. I think personally my opinion is that it is a profit opportunity, guys. And other side, you can see here the price highly pumped from a price chart that's clear. So now they are completely going to the moon. Just hold for a long time, guys. Just hold for a long time. How much long you hold, same you get a high profit, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel, guys, for more update and news videos. And my personally opinion, my personally suggestion, my personally recommendation for all of you is that hold for a long time and make a huge profit, guys. It is a low price coin, so just buy and forget it for a long time, for 3 months, for 5 months, and maybe for 1 year, guys. Hold it. Hope you get a profit. Thanks for watching.